Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's Trading Floor. It's July 6th, bringing you your morning coffee. Grains right now working a little bit lower today. Basically some profit taking coming across the board is what we're seeing after an extremely strong last 3 weeks for good reasons. The weather. The weather right now is still have some rain in the forecast here this weekend for certain parts of the northern belt. But not the next major rain event Wednesday into Saturday. Those are still holding true. Guys are still projecting for those rains to come. A lot of guys are saying in certain areas that it might be a little too late at that point now that we have gotten this heat. We're looking for another record day here in Chicagoland, and it is we're going to be up in the triple digits once again. But we'll see how the market wants to take that. But today, like I said, cutting back a little bit. You got corn right now down about 13 cents. Beans down 11, wheat down about 23.5, so things are working a little bit lower. This morning, things that are going on. We had export sales out this morning. Corn, they were looking 200,000 to 500,000, came out at 153. So negative there for corn. Beans, 400 to 650, came out at 1.758 million. Those are some big numbers on beans. I think that's kind of expected. The exports or the estimates there, to me, are a little bit low, just because we know we did have a big purchase there last week, and I'm not sure why the expectations were a little low. But for wheat, they were looking 300,000 to 450, came out at 419, so neutral for wheat. And we'll see how the trade wants to take that. But like I said, a little bit negative in corn. I think that's what's helping set it back a little here today. We're still going to have this weather problem. But what these guys are going to have to decide, these new long positions, are they going to hold it through the weekend or not? Corn's at $7, beans up over 15, and you've got wheat following right along with that corn as well, very strong. Some of the economic data that came out today, we got the jobs numbers out, came out at 80,000 jobs versus what the expectations were was 100,000. So unemployment rate unchanged at 8.2%. But a little bit disappointing as far as what some of these estimates were. The dollar right now is still higher. We're up 16 cents. But crude oil, since these numbers have come out, this unemployment numbers, crude oil is now down $2.35, sitting at 84.85. Stock market is down as well, stock futures, as well as the S&P. So finding a little bit of a little bit of a dip here this morning as far as economic news. Livestock, you got fat cattle mixed right now. Still waiting for cash to trade, looking for things to be steady at best. But we'll see how that comes out here today. Not a lot of movement in the cattle right now, kind of waiting to see what's going to happen today. As far as hogs, we're about 90 cents higher right now, so pretty good gain today. A lot of guys still talking about the losses that we had seen yesterday. Might be a little bit too sharp for right now. But still, the cash market, that's the thing to focus on, has been down significantly here this week, and that's going to be something to watch. Futures right now are below the cash, and we need to watch that. If we see further declines here for cash, we're going to find futures break back a little bit. We're still looking at rallies right now as potential selling opportunities. So give us a call over here today. It's going to be a pretty violent day. It's a Friday. And we'll see how that trades. But 800-262-7538. And check us out right here on the web, allendale-inc.com. I hope you guys have a great day. We'll talk to you later on. Take care.